Is there someone in your office who works less but gets credited more? Who smiles at the boss every morning and stabs you in the back every evening? That's not luck. That's office politics. And if you don't understand how it works, the promotion goes to them, the raise goes to them, and you just watch. Today, I'm revealing 3 powerful secrets that helped Daniel go from an invisible employee to the most influential person in his company. But before that, if you want to level up your career and mindset, subscribe to Book Dose right now and like this video because what you're about to learn could completely change your professional life. Most people think office politics means manipulation. It doesn't. It means understanding relationships, perception, and influence. Harvard Business Review found that people who ignore office politics are consistently underestimated no matter how hard they work. Daniel was exactly that person. Head down, pure work, zero networking. He believed his results would speak for themselves, but nobody was listening. Daniel spent 6 months building a game-changing project. Late nights, weekends, everything. But on presentation day, his colleague Liam walked in and presented every single idea as his own. The boss gave Liam a standing ovation. Daniel got silence. Why did this happen? Because Liam understood one thing Daniel didn't. Visibility is everything. Liam spoke up in every meeting. He sent the boss regular progress updates. He built relationships strategically. Daniel worked hard inside a closed room. Liam worked hard and made sure everyone knew it. So, what did Daniel learn, and what should you do? Strategy 1. Stay visible. Hard work alone is not enough. Document your contributions in emails, in meetings, in conversations. Give your boss proactive updates because in the corporate world, what gets seen gets rewarded. Strategy 2. Build strategic alliances. Don't be anyone's enemy. Don't be anyone's yes man either. Build genuine relationships across all levels because when promotion decisions are made, people don't just look at performance, they think about who they trust. Strategy 3. Information is power. The most politically smart people in any office know who makes decisions and who influences them. They observe quietly, they listen more than they speak, and they always stay one step ahead. Daniel applied these 3 strategies, and within 4 months, he got the promotion he deserved. Office politics isn't about being fake. It's about being smart. Understand it, use it, win with it. If this video gave you value, hit that like button right now and subscribe to Book Dose so you never miss a lesson like this. Comment below, what type of office politician have you met? See you in the next video with your next Book Dose.